Greeting classmate and tutor. My name is Victor Pajaro. I belong to the group 23 and I am going to define the valuation diagram. The select topic is lack of information on the market and commercialization channel. This problem generates an user interactive against industrial production. Also, it is an employed market problem to obtain patents that warrant to obtain patents that guarantee the rentability of the company due to the lack of industrial protection. Also, allows the disintegration of the technological fake. Maybe disintegrate EIB projects make this market study difficult. Also hinders financial studies for the company. Also demonstrates the value in the technology which produces more development work and requires increased investment. Also higher technology evaluation and assessment. The company competition timeliness in the relation is competitor is low. Low levels of competitiveness at the local and national level. And also create problem when making market strategy. Prevent the technology from being used wide and wide perspective. May also low levels of competitive fairness and local and national level generate difficulty in establishing license opportunities for specific achievements. The company have difficult while is competence and establishing contracting arrangements. Also from a law in therefore after business opportunity and make it difficult use 25% role in common based or adjustment factor methods. My recommendation are through the company it is necessary to establish into the market in knowledge required to determine the appropriate distribution and market channels, establishing relative the business objective, determining how to the induce the up to the minimum necessary information, creating in the assertive way defining of the marketing and distribution channel and increasing the information channel, making the timely decision of whether an agent is necessary or not, or if the on the contrary a distributor is needed, having clarity of the sales budget. Also establish an action plan of the code on the specific market with the for fixed and determined action and objectives. Creating action plans apply the national strategies but can be competitive at the markets in development and in vision of increasing hourly the dispersion of future makes. Thanks.